If you ask any Luxembourger, young or old, everybody loves a good bouchée à la Reine. And today I'm going to show you how to make one from scratch. For the bouchée you will need some chicken, mushrooms, white wine and puff pastry vol au vent. So a pastation, as we call it in Luxembourgish, is usually made with a Zoppenhong, and that's an old hen that weighs around 2.5 kilos. But you're unlikely to find that in the supermarket. So what I've done instead is I've taken a regular chicken and I'm also using 2 chicken legs to make up for the weight. And this will now cook for about 1.5 hours with some vegetables and aromatics until fall apart tender. And I'm also adding a dash of white wine to make my broth extra special. And while the chicken is simmering away, I'm slicing my second bouchée essential, the mushrooms. And these can now be fried in plenty of butter. When the mushrooms release all their liquid, I'm adding a dash of white wine to them. And when all the liquid has evaporated, I'm frying them for a few more minutes to brown them nicely. That's where all the flavor lies. The chicken is now literally falling off the bones, which is absolutely perfect for my bouchée. And the broth smells so good. And once the chicken is cool enough to handle, I'm pulling off the meat. So traditionally there's not only chicken in the bouchée, but also veal sweetbreads. But as people ate less offal over the years, the restaurants stopped adding it to their bouchée. And these days, you're more likely to eat the bouchée the way we're cooking it today. And now that I've got my meat and my mushrooms prepped, I can make the sauce. For that, I'm first making a roux by melting butter with flour and frying it until it goes golden brown. Then I'm gradually adding some white wine, followed by the chicken stock that I've just strained. And then I'm adding some cream to the mix and let it cook for a good 5 minutes while stirring. And now I can adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper and some nutmeg. And lastly, the mushrooms and the chicken. And now all that's left to do is heat up my vol au vents, cut off the pastry lids and fill it with the gorgeous bouchée filling. Don't forget your little hat in the end, and then you can serve your homemade bouchée with fries or rice, or why not both? Egal wie. Guten Appetit!